Imagine waking up one day with a brand new habit effortlessly in place. No struggle, no frustration. Sounds like magic? It's not. Stick around as I reveal the surprising science behind creating habits that stick and how you can use it to transform your life today. Welcome back to Eagle Inspiration. Today we're diving into how to form new habits that stick. Whether you want to exercise more, eat healthier, or learn a new skill, I'll guide you through practical steps to make your new habits a reality. Step 1. Start small. The first key to building a new habit is to start small. Don't try to change your entire life overnight. Instead, focus on making tiny, manageable changes. Let's say you want to develop a habit of reading more. Instead of setting a goal to read a book every week, start by reading just 5 pages a day. This small step will make it easier to stick with the habit. Step 2. Create a routine. Incorporate your new habit into an existing routine. By pairing your new habit with something you already do regularly, you create a trigger that helps you remember to stick to it. Example: if you want to drink more water, do it right after your morning coffee. This way you build a routine that's easier to remember and follow. Step 3. Track your progress. Keeping track of your progress can be incredibly motivating. Use a habit tracker or journal to record your daily achievements and see how far you've come. For instance, if you're aiming to exercise daily, mark off each day you complete your workout. Seeing those check marks add up can give you a sense of accomplishment. Step 4. Reward yourself. Give yourself small rewards for sticking to your new habit. Rewards provide positive reinforcement and make the process more enjoyable. After a week of consistently reading your 5 pages a day, treat yourself to a new book or a cozy reading session. It'll make the habit feel more rewarding. Step 5. Stay accountable. Share your goals with a friend or join a community with similar interests. Accountability can significantly increase your chances of success. Find a reading buddy or join a book club. This way you'll have someone to share your progress with and stay motivated. Remember, forming a new habit takes time and effort, but by starting small, creating routines, tracking progress, rewarding yourself, and staying accountable, you'll be well on your way to success. Thanks for watching Eagle Inspiration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life.